Welcome to the Esteros Critical Energy Facility. This is the Visitor Safety Orientation. At Calpine, our intention is to promote a safe and productive work environment. However, we can't do this without your help.
This orientation will discuss certain requirements that we expect our employees and visitors to adhere to.
Each visitor is required to announce to the control room their name and purpose for entering Los Esteros using the call box at the front gate. Plant speed limit is 10 miles per hour. After entering the facility, visitors must proceed to the control room to sign in.
There is a limited number of parking spaces on site. Spaces on the north side of the control room building are not to be used. Visitors must park in the spaces located in front of the control room or the unpaved area north side of the control room.
All visitors will sign in and sign out when entering and leaving the facility.
Personal Protective Equipment, PPE. Site-required minimum PPE. ANSI Z87 safety eyewear, closed-toe shoes, ANSI hard hat approved for electrical facilities, hearing protection. Hard hats, safety glasses, and hearing protection are available. Please inform LECEF personnel if you require any of these items.
Emergency evacuation procedures. In the event of a fire, each gas turbine unit is equipped with a fire alarm horn/strobe warning system. Each power distribution center, trailer, has a fire alarm bell/strobe. The
administration office, control building, locker rooms, and fire pump house are equipped with fire alarm horn/strobe indication.
In the event of an ammonia release, the ammonia unloading/storage area is equipped with 4 leak detectors that, when activated, will sound an alarm.
A handheld megaphone is available for direct voice communication in situations where radios or telephones are not practical. This megaphone is also fitted out with warning siren and tone capability.
The primary assembly area is between the control room and the break room.
The second, alternate assembly area is outside the site's north main gate, which is the gate you entered the facility from.
Once at the muster point, roll call will be taken. Everyone is to wait at the assembly area until the all clear is given.
Emergency evacuation maps are located throughout the facility. A copy of the evacuation map is also provided on the visitor handout you were given. Review the evacuation map in relation to where you are on site to ensure you're aware of the route to the assembly area.
Incident reporting. In the event of an incident, injury, or spill, inform the control room immediately. The control room number is 408-640-0056. Again, that's 408-640-0056. An automatic emergency defibrillator, or AED, is available in the control room.
A first aid kit is also located in the control room. Inform the control room of an incident, and Los Esteros personnel will inform emergency crews, if necessary, to the type of emergency and location within the facility.
Spills, clutter, tripping hazards, open manholes, and missing signs are examples of unsafe conditions. Report any unsafe condition to the control room operator or any Los Esteros personnel immediately.
Smoking and tobacco. Smoking must be at least 25 feet from any door, window, or eating area. Smoking is prohibited at Los Esteros, except in the designated area only.
It is located on the west side of the warehouse building. Additional areas may be designated with the approval of site management.
Biological resources. Los Esteros is situated in an ecologically diverse area. This area is home to several threatened and endangered animals, including the burrowing owl and the white-tailed kite.
Do not disturb or touch any wildlife you encounter on site. Report any wildlife encountered to the control room immediately.
Process information. Los Esteros Critical Energy Facility is a combined cycle power generation facility with a maximum output of 309 megawatts.
There are 5 generators, 4 driven by gas turbines, and 1 is driven by a steam turbine. Gas turbines use natural gas as their combustion fuel. Exhaust from the gas turbines contain large amounts of thermal energy.
This energy is used to generate high-pressure and high-temperature steam in the heat recovery steam generators, or HRSGs.
This steam then powers the steam turbine. After the steam turbine, the steam is condensed to water in the condenser and sent back to the HRSGs for reheating and steam generation.
The main source of water for this facility is recycled water. Although highly treated, recycled water is not potable and must never be used for human consumption.
Hazardous liquid chemicals. Los Esteros has too many chemicals to list individually in this presentation.
A chemical inventory is available upon request.
Bulk chemical liquids include 6,000 gallons of sulfuric acid and 5,500 gallons of sodium hypochlorite. These are located on the west side of the facility, above a containment structure that can capture the full contents of the tank. These chemicals are corrosives. Los Esteros has 2 10,150-gallon tanks of 19% aqueous ammonia located at the south end of the plant that is used to control nitrous oxide emissions.
Safety controls include containment and perimeter airborne ammonia sensors. The system is monitored continuously.
During a release due to a line break, exposures could be as low as 5 parts per million and as high as 200 parts per million, depending on numerous factors. Should this occur, immediately leave the area. Do not attempt any corrective actions.
Restricted areas. Visitors, unless accompanied by Los Esteros personnel, are prohibited from the power distribution centers, the switchyard, the chemistry lab, the warehouse and maintenance shop, the satellite workshop, the hazardous materials/waste storage area, the administrative building, and all chemical storage areas. Again, thank you for visiting Calpine, Los Esteros.